All right, if you enjoyed the 40s and 50s of the weekend, well, things are changing in a big way. Now, many of us in the southern Red River Valley and Lakes Country waited the better part of the day for wintry weather to make its way in. That's taking place now. Winter weather advisory for our western county, Stutsman. And as we look at the blizzard warning, that continues through midnight for many of our counties. And we have winter storm warnings off in north central and northeast Minnesota. Timeline shows that as we go through the evening, the snow will exit to the east. And by midnight, it should be done for most areas. Overnight, the gusty winds will continue to blow over 35 miles per hour. Snow and blowing snow and drifting snow will still reduce visibility and make travel awful tricky. As mentioned earlier, travel advisories, no travel advisories in portions of eastern North Dakota. By Tuesday morning, we will still have an impact. It's going to be brutally cold. And because of the road conditions, there may still be some delays, some cancellations. So make sure you tune into Valley News Live or download our app to stay ahead of what's going on. Here's a look at the radar, and we see that over the last hour or three, the snow beginning to exit the Red River Valley, pushing into western Minnesota. Very heavy precipitation and some thunder and lightning possible moving in toward the Twin Cities, like we had earlier today in the Bemidji area, with reports of small hail and sleet that was 3/4 of an inch deep. So slippery conditions from northeast South Dakota continue. Our heaviest band stretches from Mahnomen through Barnesville and down into the Breckenridge area right now. Things are wrapping up out in the west near the Tower City area to Valley City, but the winds behind the storm still quite potent. This line's moving off to the east at 20 miles per hour. So western Becker, you're getting snow now. It's getting ready to make its way into parts of central Otter Tail County in the upcoming hour. Mahnomen, it's on your doorstep as it heads towards Naytawash. This is the heaviest band, and this deep blue band could produce 1, maybe 2 inches of snow as it works its way eastward through Fosston and into Clearbrook. As we take a look, the snow continues for the eastern reaches of Pennington County, as well as Red Lake County and the Roseau County area, where we did get a photo uploaded of 11 inches of snow there. Around 5 inches of snow and 25 degrees of the Grand Forks area. Valley City, just to the north of you, about 5 inches of snow as well. 21. Cold air moving in from the northwest, holding on to the upper 20s, though, for Lakes Country right now. Wind gusts at this hour still over 40 miles per hour in Fargo, 33 miles per hour in Bemidji, as this cold north flow that's going to continue to cause the dangerous travel conditions into the overnight. Hour by hour forecast shows by 8, snow out of the Red River Valley moving through parts of west central Minnesota. And then as we head towards midnight, it should be out of here. But the cold air will not, and the wind will not. Gusts 30, 40 miles per hour overnight will continue to bring tricky travel conditions. Wind chills first thing in the morning, between 5 and 20 below zero across the region, as temperatures will only be 5 to 10 degrees to start our brutal Tuesday morning. And again, there may be some impacts to your morning commute as well. Gusts and from the west and northwest with a little sun out west. Clouds and cool conditions persist with a renegade flurry or two here or there, making for a brutal Tuesday throughout the region. And again, can't rule out an isolated flurry of snow. Additional snow, as mentioned, nothing to the west, but 1 to maybe as much as 3 inches in that heavier band working its way through. Teens all day tomorrow. Winds gusting over 30 miles per hour likely, and pretty brutally cold wind chills throughout the day. 11 the afternoon temperature in Roseau as we look into Lakes Country. 18 for Fergus Falls, 23 in southeast North Dakota. Great shot of the super moon. Kyle uploading this from South Fargo. Here's the planning forecast, and as mentioned, the cold weather's here to stay. 16 the high on Wednesday in Fargo. Chance for some flakes Thursday into Friday. Looks like Saturday looks quiet, however, very chilly for tailgating weather this weekend. Then another system works its way through Sunday into Monday. Beyond that, it looks even colder than what you're seeing there.
Okay, well, keep us in the dark for a little while longer.
Okay,
yeah,
will do.
It's okay. Thank you.